So I'm about to show you what's in my pantry. What do most people have in their pantry? Let's see, cookies, crackers, chips, corn chips, potato chips, canned food, pickles, all kinds of probably year's supply of Spam, junk, just dead food. All right, let me show you what I got in my pantry here. Most people go, this is weird because it's not really food. This is my mad scientist herb storage facility. This is where I keep all my herbs to experiment with. It's in alphabetical order. It goes from the letter A, from asparagus powder, all the way down to the end of the alphabet, yucca root and watercress and walnut and all that stuff. So this is my toy room. This is where I love to experiment with all kinds of stuff and to see what it does to the human body because I take it myself. This is where I'm the guinea pig. I am the guinea pig, and then Kara, and then all my friends, and I do this for years and years, and what I notice works, I pass it on to you. I get so excited. Just the smell coming in here is so cool. I mean, there's so many cool things. The mixture, like everything, like Chanca Piedra. This is what the South Americans called stonebreaker. It's for kidney stones and gallstones and things like that. Chaparral, the nastiest smelling, tasting stuff in the world. It's a mitosis inhibitor, which is really good for cancer cannot spread when it's in the presence of a mitosis inhibitor. A dulse powder. I got all kinds of seaweed here. I got dulse and bladderwrack, things like that. All kinds of hawthorn berry. It's good for the heart. Holy basil, which is that, and hops, which is in my night formula. It's really good for calming you down. Juniper berry, which is really good for the eyes. Drops your blood sugar. It's good for diabetics. Got kudzu here, wild lettuce. God, you name it. I've got everything here. And for example, here, I go and get my own herbs here, like Mormon tea. This is Mormon tea, which is in the ephedra family. It's a milder version of it. And then when you grind it up into a powder, where is it? I had the powder here somewhere. Oh, here's the powder. This is what it looks like when you grind it into a powder. So I have showed you a video on how to turn your own harvested plants into powders. This is just so cool here. And here's some mixtures that I have. Here's a special thing that I made. This is probably one of the most nastiest, powerful things you can make. There's wormwood, that, and black walnut here, which is super powerful for parasite killing, and yes, that's in my parasite formula. Yucca root, surfactant, which is really good for bloating and gas. God, there's so many fun things here. What is this? This is, Schizandra berry. This is really good for the liver. They taste pretty good too. Here's a formula I made for nerves. I threw in some mitosis inhibitors just for the health. I like mixing. This is like unbelievably, the power that's in this room is just so amazing. This to me is like, geez, I don't know how to describe it. So, your Japanese knotweed, you just saw the video on that. Here's my original energy formula, which became the power formula. Passion flower, parsley leaf, Pau d'Arco. I mean, you name it, it's all here. So anyway, this is my toy room. This is where I love to tinker. Some people like to tinker with electronics or cars. I tinker with herbs. And so this is what's in my pantry. People ask, here you go. This is what's in Markus's pantry. Now again, this isn't food, okay? I'm not telling you to live off of powders. This is stuff that you add to your what you take in during the day as part of your, this is the supplement stuff. It fills in the gaps that are missing from the food that you're eating that is grown in, depleted soil or, picked unripe 2 weeks ago out in the middle of wherever. Anyway, so, and you really feel the difference when you take this stuff. So anyway, here you go. Stay tuned for more at markusnews.com. Show you the inside, behind the scenes world of me and Kara and things like that. I hope this helped. All right.